Good morning zithandwa. Nimbonile uDabula uvelive ngithi uyenzile ivideo yakhe. Uthi yena uphatheke kamnandi. Uthi yena futhi akana insolo dala sebenza neMoja Love imiyenze aba famous. And futhi uyabathanda abalandeli bakhe. And uyabonga ngendlela bamsupporta ngayo. So mina guys, mina ngicabani noDabula. But lokho anitshela kona ngizonitshela amanga. Yes ukuba famous famous and uyenziwe yiyo iMoja Love. Nami ngifamous lamhla because of iMoja Love. But iqiniso lisekutheni basiphatha kahle na. Cause umuntu ophatheka kahle guys uyambona. Usmart, uclean, uyadlowa, uhappy, neskin mele size sibonise ukuthi udla kamnandi loyo muntu. Ake nithatheni thina ama talent nisirhemise la nirhemise nama producer nama cameraman then nizobona ukuthi bobani abadla kamnandi. uDabula mina ngi-understand ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Yabona ukuthi si famous angimphikisi. Hayi angimphikisi umntwana abantu vele si famous and senziwe yiMoja Love. But why sibukeka ngendlela sibukeke ngayo? Nina nisibona si happy or nimbona happy nina ajabulile? Especially ya ku video ngathi bebambeke ichoke ukuthi hey bulela so. Guys mina ngizwisa ubhlungu le video leyana. Angifuni ucamba manga. Ngizwisa ubhlungu and ngisazomlwela naye. Yazi why? Ngoba ngiyamthanda uDabula umngane nami akasangenza into embi. So nami
So you guys, after Dabula did a video saying that he's happy with, of course, Moja Love, after there had been reported that Moja Love is mistreating a lot of its cast members, the people who work for the station, particularly the Umdeni cast, you guys, they've come forward to reveal that Moja Love treats them like crap. Dabula says that no, actually, they've made me famous and they're treating me very, very well. Matlalan Tabeni does this video saying that, you know what, seeing that video of Dabula actually makes me so sad because you could tell that she said whatever she said under duress. It is as though someone was there coaching him on what to say or not. Matlalan Tabeni says that if I were happy, you would definitely know it. You would see from the glow of my skin. If Moja Love really took care of us, you would be living the good life, because the kind of life that we live right now, we live from hand to mouth, yet we work, we give all our storylines, the fake storylines that we create so that they could get views, but yet we are looked down upon, you are not well paid. She says that the people who are well paid are, of course, the big bosses in those offices. And she says that, you know what, Dabula is saying whatever she is saying for her own reasons, but she says that she will continue to fight for Dabula because she really loves Dabula, and Dabula is a good person. And everything that Dabula said, he doesn't mean it at all, because there is no such thing, you guys. And he says, she on the video that she did, she says, I told you that Moja Love is a scam. Now they're pushing Dabula to do a video to tell national people that she's happy with Moja Love. Let us stand for hashtag save Dabula. What do you guys think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course to share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.